Hello from the National Weather Service in Missoula. This is your planning briefing for October 31st. Looking at the weather threat matrix, we're going to have periods of snow all the way through early next week, mostly a pass level impact with, those slushy to snowpack roads at times over the passes. Snow showers will sneak into the valleys at times, but at this point, only expecting, little to maybe a minor impact, a few slick spots. And the best chances for snow, once again, standing out for Saturday and Sunday, and then again late Monday into Tuesday. Looking at temperatures, fairly steady across the board. Friday and Saturday do stand out, perhaps a little bit warmer, but overall pretty steady with those temperatures. Snow levels, most of the accumulating snow generally above like 4,000 to 4,500 feet, but occasionally sneaking down to say 3,000 feet for a few of those mornings in those lower valleys. Precipitation probabilities, we do have the activity today being Thursday and another period that stands out, like we were saying, later Saturday into Sunday, and then again later Monday into Tuesday as far as widespread precipitation. Snowfall ranges fairly light for these 6-hour periods. Most of the time, less than an inch for the passes for 6-hour periods, occasionally seeing 1 to 2 inches. Speaking toward that Monday night through Tuesday afternoon system, here's the probability of greater than 2 inches of snow. Once again, we're expecting it to be mostly a pass level impact, most likely moderate. Um, you can see fairly high probabilities for all the terrain. As far as valleys are concerned, it's still a bit uncertain, something we're going to have to watch, but it just appears to be a minor impact at this point, but we'll keep an eye on it. So here's a probability of greater than 4 inches of snow for that same time period, and you can see still fairly high, even for a lot of the passes, anywhere from 40-60% probabilities for the passes along the Idaho-Montana border, and then Marias Pass as well. Not as much of an impact for the Southwest Montana and the Limhi passes outside of Lost Trail. So we do have these graphics if you want to look at them. I put several of the passes in here. This one here is Lookout Pass. So snow for every 6-hour period and the temperature graph on the bottom. More of these are available at weather.gov/MSO/winter briefing if you want to dig into those some more, even for valley locations. But I'm just going to walk right through these pretty quickly. You can pause if you would like to take a deeper look. One last thing we wanted to point out, so looking at the 6 to 10 day and 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, it does appear there's a leaning towards a ridge of high pressure the latter part of next week, bringing temperatures near to above normal. And that is certainly dependent on if any snow, falls on Monday and Tuesday in the valleys, but at this point, not expecting that. So it would allow the temperatures to trend closer to normal or above normal. And then as far as precipitation is concerned, you can kind of see the evidence of the high pressure also with a leaning toward below normal precipitation the latter part of next week. Perhaps thereafter, things pick up once again with near normal to above normal for that 8 to 14 day period. Thanks for joining us. Our next scheduled briefing is next Sunday. Let's see, what day is that? Sunday the 3rd. We'll hope to see you then. Thank you.